Hey, what's going on? Welcome back, Foxbody Garage. Sorry, been MIA for the last couple of weeks. Been taking a break. We finally gonna go out in the car. The weather's been horrible. As always, thanks for commenting, and subscribing. All my loyal subscribers, I appreciate you. All the new subscribers, you stumble across the video, smash that like button. Today, me and the kids, we're gonna go out in the Mustang, and let's see how she does. We'll do a first start. We'll walk into the garage. Once again, guys, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and let's see how this first start is going to work out. The car hasn't started since the last video, which was, I believe, 2 weeks ago. So let's see what we got going on and see how she does. First cold start in 2 weeks. Let's see, can I put you there? There you go. Can you see, guys? How's everybody? There we go. How about that one? Yeah, that's better. So what's going on, guys? Let's try this first start. Me and the kids, we were sitting on the couch watching the baseball game, and we said, let's go for a ride. So now let's see if the car's going to start after 2 weeks. The car's been sitting for 2 weeks. Sure you can get it. Let's see if this car starts, guys. Cold start. 2 weeks. Is she gonna run? Started up after 2 weeks. That's pretty cool. At least we know we got no battery draw or nothing like that. And she's idling pretty good. So let's get right into this car and see how we're doing, guys. Sorry for the camera work. As always, it's garbage. You know my channel, how it goes. You get real live. Let's see. Alright, we got lights, we got the car idling, we got good oil pressure. I changed the oil pressure sender that time. Remember, the oil pressure sender was bouncing around? That's not bouncing around no more. We got good oil pressure. So everything's looking good. Let it warm up and we'll go for a ride. I had the car cleaned and detailed. As you can see, it's a little dusty maybe now, but I had her all cleaned up, shining pretty nice. Interior's all cleaned up. Nice. I bought new mats, front and back. We didn't put the window wipers on just yet. How's she sounding? Sounds nice. Idling, purring like a kid. So let's take her out. Let's go for a buzz and see how she does. We'll be back. What's up, everybody? We're back in the Foxbody. We're cruising at 2,000 RPMs, and the GPS says we are going. We're under 2,000 RPMs. We're probably about 1,800, and the GPS says we're at 68 miles an hour. So the 355 gear is what I was looking for, and my calculations were correct. So I could do 70 miles an hour, 72 miles an hour, at actually 74 miles an hour at 2,000 RPMs. And we got a highway cruiser. Take it anywhere. Go anywhere. Right now, we're going to go see Grandpa. He's not feeling too good. He's got to have a little procedure done. He's got a couple of kidney stones. So we're going to go pop up on him, see how he's doing. And then we'll take a ride to Astoria, my old stomping grounds. we'll see who's around, and maybe we can give you, oh, we can't because I don't have the garage opener. I would give you a view of where Foxbody Garage originally came from. And I don't have the garage opener, but we'll get a view of the outside, at least. And we'll go from there. Maybe we'll even get ambitious and we'll go to one of the Spanish bodega car stereo places on Queens Boulevard in Astoria. And we'll get a little boom boom put in the car today. So that's what we're doing. Cruising on the highway. Having a good old time. Beautiful sunny day. Me, my beautiful daughter behind the camera, my handsome son who played baseball, but it was rained out this morning. Why, I don't know, because the weather was great all day. It did rain yesterday. They said the field wouldn't take the water. We went there this morning at 7 o'clock in the morning to check the field, and the field was fine, but they canceled it the day before. So we had really not much to do today. My darling wife went to a wedding with her mother because Grandpa's not feeling good, like I stated. So we're going to check up on him. So with that said, guys, the gear swap, the build, it's been successful. And today we're giving it the first 2-hour ride trip. And we'll be back and let you know how it goes from there. So don't forget to hit the smash, like, comment, subscribe. Also, we have other builds coming. I've been dragging ass a little, guys, but I'm debating if I should do another notch. I have another notch. That's a 4-cylinder. I don't know if I should do 351 Windsor or do a 347 stroker. And maybe eventually we'll put a little baby blower on this thing. So we got a lot of things to decide. Let me know what you think. Put what you think in the comments down below and let me know what's going on. Alright, guys, until the next time, Foxbody Garage, and as always, don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell for all updated videos, and share with your friends. I appreciate everybody. God bless. Have a good day, a better tomorrow. Peace.